Okay. EBT food halls. Let's see. Listen, lots of things when it comes to food stamps have changed recently, with states being able to opt out of junk food and pop and sodas and whatnot. And also states paying more for it, federal work requirements, a lot of things. So people are getting in as much as they can, hauling in the EBT as quick as they can before it all goes away.
You save some root for you because what you got is sacred. Make sure you save some root for you because what you got is sacred. Some energy is just too good to waste it. Remember, the bigger the...
Okay, we immediately got some Takis. 1,500 EBT haul. What? Check my card has $12,087 in food stamps. How many children are there? What is happening?
The heart means the bigger the target, and Cupid ain't the only one shooting.
Dude, assistance for food seems like we've provided a lot of assistance. I'm just gonna say.
Good heart guardian. So many will want to touch you, but few will be prepared to hold you. And remember, it ain't no warranties on the broken dreams they sold you.
Cheese, you got cheese.
Never there when you call them, so why you still calling them
fresh toasted?
Guys, there's nothing fresh. It's all processed. It's all frozen. It's all fried. It's all bullshit. This is horrible. Might take this one kind of personally. Well, let's find out. She be scamming. I know it's probably illegal. I don't know. It's just like clearly there's flaws, right? In any system, there's flaws. Because obviously we want to support people who are vulnerable for sure. But this is rough, man.
Ulterior motives and hidden agendas, hoping that it all pay off in the end. I'm not dissing, I'm just hoping that you listen. We in the belly of the beast. This world's getting wicked.
Okay, I need to find a grocery haul. 2 bags of pot roast, 2 cans of beef, 2 cans of croissant roast.
She's editing herself so bad. Okay, so of course nothing fresh so far, but at least we got bread, hamburger buns,
2 things of dirty rice, a bag of corn.
What? A bag of? Wait, what's wrong with just shucking some corn? That's what it's called when you take it all off, right? Like, it's so much more affordable. It has to be. There's no way.
Corn. A case of apple juice. Strawberry waffles.
Just make waffles. They taste better and it's so much more affordable for fuck dick's sake. Fuck.
Buttermilk waffles.
She cuts herself off.
2 boxes of these. Hamburger helper and 1 box of this one.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is going to be offensive. As if I'm ever not. Why are EBT recipients, at least on TikTok, the largest among us? We're not talking overweight. We're not talking obese. We're talking my 600-pound life, morbid obesity. Why? Yes, but fresh corn isn't available all year, at least not where I live. Oh, that's interesting. It's always been available where I live. But fair point, if that's true. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's always just the largest people. It's just so weird. And my honest thought is they're likely gonna stay on assistance because they're so morbidly obese that they don't have the energy, they don't have the desire to go out there and actually fucking get out of the assistance by going and improving their lives. And that's what fucking sucks. They don't move, no jobs, no exercise, while eating as many calories as possible. Yeah, maybe, but it's at a detriment to themselves, man.
A box of toast, strawberry toast fruit. 2 boxes of strawberry.
Oh, what are you getting?
Take 5.
You're Little Debbie?
Yeah.
You ain't no Little Debbie, I'll tell you that.
I know. Talking shit. A thing of all-purpose flour. A bag of self-rising flour.
Stop cutting yourself off, lady.
That flour.
Did a dog take a walk? No, I don't want them to have to afford a dog. That's not fair to the dog. It's not going to be taken care of properly.
Thing of sour cream. Thing of fish fry. A bag of 3 onion blend meat.
A what?
Thing of fish fry.
3 pepper and onion bolena. I don't know what this is.
Bag of 3 onion blend meat. Thing of chicken noodles. 2.
Tortilla is the freshest thing we've had. Blend? Oh, blend. Okay.
A gallon of sweet tea. Baby cheese. 3 gallons of milk for the twins. Coconut oil for the kids' hair.
For what?
Ham and cheese hot. Pepperoni.
Oh, every Hot Pocket ever made. By the way, pepperoni, just classic, the best. Proved that on Fat and Fatter, one of our Hammer Elite shows.
Chicken pot pie.
Oh. Why? You don't need that much oil? What are you fucking doing? She's running like a fucking Saudi empire over there.
Brownies.
$1,592 worth of food stamps.
Peanut butter crackers. Oops, all berries. French toast.
Oh, I love French toast sticks, but why the fuck am I funding it? What the fuck is happening here?
2 Napoleon ice cream. Some white for the twins. Buffalo egg roll.
Keeps cutting herself off.
Come grocery shop with us. Which one?
She looks so healthy. She looks so healthy. Clearly this is working.
Shop with us. Which ones do y'all be eating? Make it go by faster.
Fuck, I buy that for the office, but fuck. Not on EBT. And I need to clarify, because not everyone watching the VOD or in the stream, some people are seeing this for the first time. I'm not against EBT. In fact, I dramatically support it, and I want to increase funding to those who need it. The abuse that is going on, and the fuckery, and the junk food, which makes people less healthy, which is making them less likely to go work and put in energy, that increases their income and gets them out of the cycle of poverty. This is not helping anyone the way we are currently doing it. Same with any benefit. We need to do what is actually benefiting people in the end instead of being performative. So that's my take.
Oh, and y'all, by the way,
She does not look healthy. Fat broke people feedback loop. Honestly, yeah.
I'm shopping for
Maybe RFK will ban all the processed stuff. No, but they opened states banning junk food and soda and all that stuff.
Tiffany plate because I'm about to eat that too. This ain't for Tiffany. This is for tacos. This is for Tiffany.
Okay, good for Tiffany. Congratulations, Tiffany. Some point out. Got us to 73 out of 100.
Hold on.
At least we're getting some eggs, right? We can. At least we're getting some eggs.
Let me guess. You're just using an investing app that doesn't invest in you. It is time to change that. Right now, Webull is offering up to a 3.5% match when you open an IRA with them. That is real money going into your retirement, not just points or coupons. And that's just the start. Deposit $100 and you get 30 days of Webull Premium. Anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 sitting around in your account, move it to Webull and get $200 in cash. And if you worked your way up to $5 million, that's $30,000 in your account just for moving it over. It is not just about the perks though. Webull provides the tools that serious investors want as well. TradingView integration, real-time data, zero commission trades. It actually works on all your devices. And now through September 30th, you can stack even more. Get a $100 cash bonus for a $2,000 deposit, plus a 2% cash back on all deposits, and a 30-day premium voucher, and a 4% APY booster on any uninvested cash. It doesn't get better than this, so stop overpaying for a platform that gives you nothing back and make the switch to Webull. Go to Webull.com/K/Caleb or hit the QR code or the link below. Let's get back to the show.
Dirty, but let's get it. No, get it. Shoot. We always need milk. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, milk's good. Pet? I want to know what's coming from a fucking pet.
Come Costco shopping with me with EBT.
Okay, right ear. No thanks.
Oh, y'all, let's put up ours. $200 grocery.
Okay. You know, this one's actually not as bad. Got some tortillas. You got some fresh pre-made things, which I didn't think was covered, but maybe it is. Got some apples. You got some potatoes. I'm chilling with that. It's not horrible. Orange juice, I think. Okay.
Hey y'all.
Fuck.
Asha Garcia, I'm back for another video. I'm about to do with y'all my EBT grocery haul for August 2020.
Fuck. She's healthy. According to fat activists, you are correct. Oh boy.
I posted it on my other TikTok channel, so I'm gonna do it for this channel. So I'm gonna have to just do everything.
Look at the comment. You bought better things than most people. Lots of protein, fruits, and veggies. It's not working. It's not working.
Everything is already out the bag. Oh.
You know, it's bad when you put your groceries away sitting in crisscross applesauce on the carpet. It's not my feed algo. It's what I searched, but it's not compiled either.
So I can see this is the other one didn't see. This is my I got 2 guacamoles. This is my first one.
Okay, this is everything I got with EBT.
Wow. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to say, this video is starting to feel a little racist. I'm glad we're seeing multiple groups of people.
EBT for $221.59 EBT and
That's a long list.
$242.78 total. Let me show you everything I got. I'm breathing heavy because I'm sick, not because I'm fat. Shut your mouth. Cat food.
Can you EBT cat food?
Got pepperoni.
Okay.
The animals. My kids love waffles, so we got some.
Oh, what is wrong with people? Make fucking waffles. It takes 30 seconds. Nah, it takes a couple minutes.
Mangoes. 2 things of sausage. Ground beef. These are our favorite cookies from Walmart. They're just great value, but
Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, you're going to have trouble breathing for the rest of your life.
they're so good. They're like $1.
You know what I'm going to get in after work with my girlfriend? We're going to a chicken restaurant where we just have grilled chicken. Oopsies. I've muted.
We were running low. I found these goldfish. They're butterscotch flavored for Harry Potter. I found some Better Goods wedding cookies. They're supposed to be like healthier. Wanted
They're not. Maybe, I don't know.
to try those. For all you haters, yes, I buy my kids Yoo-Hoos and they enjoy the shit out of them.
No shit. Make chocolate milk. Make chocolate milk. Make chocolate fucking milk. What are we doing? Just make milk.
So I got some ice drink.
The standard American diet never fails to shock me. Is this the standard American? Dude, I'm a fat fuck, but I'm not even close to this.
Starburst. I bought myself a food scale because I'm going to
She has
start doing
haters?
sourdough.
Oh, let's see. Why don't you thank all of us taxpaying citizens? Ain't no one thanking you. Oh. I didn't like this energy, but I also don't like this energy. Like, what the fuck is going on? Why are you entitled? Tax dollars at work, almost all processed foods, sweets and convenient foods. This is exactly why EBT needs to be regulated. It definitely makes sense for rules, right? Like, why don't we have rules? Like, we should be encouraging what we want if it's subsidized, and it's not only subsidized, it's fucking given. So yeah, it makes sense. Hershey's has sugar-free syrup. Does it? That's wild. I've never heard of that. I'd like to try it. I'm curious. Then you still got the calories in milk anyway, which is not really a low-calorie drink regardless.
Cutie.
It's never anything good, man. It's all fucking Little Debbie bullshit. It's oil. I see some veggies there. Or maybe grapes. Put it at the bottom of the sack of groceries. I guess their mom never taught them to grocery shop. Yeah, don't put the fucking produce at the bottom that gets smashed. What are we doing? Place a delivery order at 12 once my stamps hit. Why are we even talking like that? It's like a culture. It's like a pride.
Come shopping with me at Sam's Club as a recently unemployed.
I think it was in
me in the night. Told her bend it over, let me eat it with some ice. Big dude, baby, she gon' want it all night. Check hall 6 when I knew you heard the pipes. Me in the night. Told her bend it over, let me.
3,000 spent at Walmart EBT. That's great. I'm glad we're celebrating that we're not trying to go advocate in our own lives to do better. It is there for assistance. It's there to support it, and I want it to be there to support people. It shouldn't be a lifestyle. That's the problem. Shouldn't be a life fucking style. Is this system working or broken? Oh fuck. Not gonna read that one.
So we got some shopping with me at Costco with my 4
Diversity.
kids while we do some EBT shopping. This is the beginning of the month for us, so I tried to be strategic with what I buy.
Well, let's see.
So come along with me. I'm not ashamed to admit I'm on this. Sometimes
that's fine. This is a crazy vehicle. Is this like a straight up like van, like van classic? Not like a mom van, like van, you know, transporting people in wheelchairs van. This is a wild.
Situations where we have to have help. So come along.
Okay, Costco time.
Wow, that's a lot of children to need assistance. We should have paused for a bit until you're more ready. This is the true way of life. Go down in the office any day of the week and they will tell them how to stay on. Fuck, man. Yeah, the couple I filmed with today who has a kid, I talked about ways for them to make more money, but then they're like, but we'll lose our assistance. And I'm like, but you'll make more. You'll have more. Upgrade your life. Try. And trust me, I'm not saying everyone on this isn't trying. There are people that need real assistance. But this shouldn't be a lifestyle trap that you get stuck in. You should have ambitions. At least for your family. If you've given up, you've given up. But at least for your family. Processed but healthier. And bread. Can we get some just food? Okay, lots of dessert stuff. Oh no, not pastries, no! Dog food? Does that count? Wait guys, does dog food count? Okay, apples. Happy to see that. Bananas. Those bananas are not ready. I'm gonna let you know. Are those plantains? No. What are you doing? Also, those guys to sit. Strawberries, that's fine. Lots of fruits. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's not the worst. I didn't see a meal that could be prepared there. It's mostly just snacks, but all organic, all more expensive. I would rather it at least be healthy and expensive so they keep themselves healthy so that they have more energy to go out there and try to better their lives, right? Dang, the dog doesn't deserve the shame of being on food stamps. Shouldn't get a dog if you're on food stamps. It's not fair to the dog.
It's EBT day.
Oh, we haven't had someone Hispanic. Oh, there we go. We've checked boxes. Okay, boxes are checked. Now we don't have to worry about who is being scrolled here.
And you know what that means?
Lettuce. We like lettuce. Good job. Bread. Okay, bread. Drinks. Come on. Yogurt, little things. Sushi. No, fuck, you started off so strong. Why are you doing this?
Turkey breast and cheese.
Cries and poor, but according to the government, not poor enough. Well, you probably blow all your money. Miss Shass speaks. Wish I could get EBT. Why is this something you... That's just never... As someone who grew up dramatically lower middle class, foreclosure notices, never being able to do the things that other people did. And the only time I did is because they took out a second fucking mortgage to pay for it. I haven't wanted to repeat that. I've only ever wanted to do better and escape that and live a better life. What is the I wish I could get EBT? That makes no sense to me. I don't fucking know, man. Where are the men? That's a good question. Maybe they're less likely to make a TikTok though.
Some people on here seem to hate me because I get government assistance with food. But for the people who don't...
No. You shouldn't hate someone for doing that. You should hate someone for what they do with it or lack of doing. But not that they just get it.
Let's do an EBT food haul. We got pancake mix, cookies, Special K cereal.
Oh, come on. I mean, we started off with fucking cookies. Pancake mix is better than the pre-prepared warm-up shit, but...
Fruit and yogurt and chocolatey delight. Some chocolate chip waffles. Some coffee creamer, some blueberry protein waffles, which my husband literally just opened. We've got some Spider-Man popsicles, 2 boxes of these Outshine popsicles. My 2-year-old is obsessed with popsicles at the moment.
Here's everything I got with my food stamps card at Aldi
as
a solo mom of 2.
Ah! I don't know, man. Someone needs to take a look. That's all I'm saying. Someone needs to take a look. Hey, Caleb Hammer stream fans, make sure you get your financial score for free. Take the assessment at calebhammer.com or dollarwise.com. It's free. See where you stand in the world of finances.